Hi everyone, I am going to talk about the elements of product mix. Branding. A marketer may sell its products under their generic name or under a brand name. For example, a marketer can sell laptop just as laptop or as Apple laptop. Laptop is the generic name which represents the whole class of the product, and Apple is the brand. A brand name helps a marketer to identify and distinguish his product from that of his or her competitors. Branding is the process of giving a name or sign or a symbol to a product. The various terms related to branding are brand, brand name, trademark, brand and branding. So a brand name, term, sign, symbol, design or combination of some of these used to identify the goods or services of one seller or group of sellers and distinguish them from those of the competitors. Branding consists of two components, brand name and brand mark. For example, different types of mobile phones are distinguished by their brand names. iPhone is a brand name, and that symbol Apple is the brand mark. Brand name. A brand name is the verbal component of a brand. It is the part of brand which can be spoken. Cadbury, Lay's, Polo, etc. are the few examples of brand names. Brand mark. Brand mark is the symbol of design, distinct color or a letter. It is that part of a brand which cannot be spoken but represent the product. Trademark is that part of a brand that is given legal protection against the brand mark being used by any other company. A company can get the exclusive right to use the brand mark and brand name if it is registered with the authorities. Few definitions of brands and branding. Branding is creating a corporate brand identity for consumer and getting that brand identity imprinted on the minds of consumer, and this requires brand positioning and brand management. A brand today is an entity, that is product, service, company, person, technology, etc., that offers a set of value exchange measures between what the owner or market seeks and the price he is willing to pay for. It has always seemed to me that your brand is formed primarily not by what your company says about itself but what the company does. A product is something made in a factory. A brand is something that is bought by the customer. A product can be copied by a competitor. A brand is unique. A product can be quickly outdated. A successful brand is timeless. Your brand power lies in dominance. It is better to have 50% of one mark instead of 10% of five market. Your brand image. A brand today is an entity that offers a set of value exchange measures between what the owner or market seeks and the price is willing to pay for. It has always seemed to me that your brand is formed primarily not by what your company says about itself, but what the company does. A product is something made in a factory. A brand name is something that is bought by the customer. A product can be copied by a competitor. A brand is unique. A product can be quickly outdated. A successful brand is timeless. Your brand's power lies in dominance. It is better to have 50% of one mark instead of 10% of five markets. Your brand image is primarily an emotional construct. Emotion is probably always more powerful in swaying people than reason, but people like to be able to rationalize their choices. Branding, though, adds to the cost of packaging, labeling, legal protection, or promotion, but it provides various advantages to sellers as well as buyers. Let us discuss the advantages of branding. The advantages of branding to the marketers are enabling market product orientation, helps in advertising and display programs, differential pricing, easy in introduction of new product. These are the advantages of branding to the marketers. So A market may sell its product under their generic name or under a brand name. Branding is the process of giving name or sign or a symbol to a product. Thank you.